talking about acid rain and the effects of it on lakes, wildlife, and the locals. Acid rain is made when fossil fuels are released into the atmosphere and they mix with the H2O and oxygen. They affect lakes, streams, and they also affect animals. Let's see George for the acid rain weather report.
Hello guys, welcome to George's weather report. Today I'm going to tell you acid rain. Well, acid rain is going to hit East and South America at 9 o'clock. Then at China, it's going to hit Taiwan at 12 o'clock. And be careful out there, because we don't want you to get hurt. That's the end of the news. Back to you, Rihanna.
Thank you, George, for that detailed weather report. Now, time to talk about acid rain. What does it do? Well, first of all, it reduces the pH of a lake down to 5, sometimes even more below. Most fish can't survive on a lower pH level, so they die. These are some of the examples of how acid rain affects fish in lakes and streams. The low pH level and the high exposure of aluminium destroys the fish and directly intoxifies it. But some fish, they can survive, but their eggs wouldn't, so eventually the fish will die off. The latest hit on acid rain is in Little Lake in America. Let's see Rihanna there for the report. Thank you, Rihanna. Rihanna here reporting on Little Lake in America. This lake has been recently hit by acid rain and has a pH of 4.2, which is really, really low. Most fish can't survive, and eventually most of the fish will die out in this lake. Wait, hold on a minute. Are they the locals? Sir, can I please ask you a few questions? Sir, can I please ask you a few questions? No, sir. No.
A few moments later.
Sir, I just want to ask a few questions. Sir, I want to ask a few questions. Now here, asking a few of the locals a few questions. So, Nicholas, how has the acid rain affected your family?
Well, I can't catch the fish no more. I can't feed my family with the fish. I'm starving. I'm hungry.
Now, do you know why the acid rain is affecting the fish?
No, I don't know.
Well, the acid releases the aluminum from the soil in the river. Therefore, it destroys every fish. How do you feel about this?
I want the fish. Me too.
We are now reporting from redneck country, where acid rain has hit. Most of the people here are starving, and they're very, very desperate. That's why we brought along George to accompany us, a bodyguard, essentially. Let's come through here.
Oh, I see one.
Is that a local?
I got a fish.
You got a fish. Hey, sir, that fish, it's been reported to have acidity in it.
No, this is my bed.
Sir, I'd recommend you let go of that fish.
No.
It's undersized.
My fish.
Don't eat it.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for the daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. Their tears are filling up their glasses, no expression, no expression. I wanna drown best I've ever had. We'll find it.
Well, that was interesting. Now, let's get on to how we can stop these rednecks from dying from acid rain. Let's see the professor now on how we can help to reduce acid rain. Over to you, Professor.
Recycle. It's to reduce having to use fossil fuels to burn. Another great way to reduce acid rain is to produce energy. Without using fossil fuels, instead people can use renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power.
Thank you, Professor. Now, we have a professional meteorologist from the CSIRO that is going to tell us how acid rain is formed. Let's go to Nicholas.
Thank you, Ian. So you want to know how acid rain is caused?
Well, humans and industries create sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides, which mix with the oxygen, H2O, and CO2 in the air and clouds, which create acid rain. Acid rain falls into forests, lands, lakes and streams, which can damage animals and plant life living in those areas.
Thank you, Nick. That's all for Daily News.